It's a 2018 Cadillac CT6 Sedan. This CT6 possesses the authoritative power and meticulous craftsmanship to elevate your drive to revolutionary heights. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, multi-zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automatic park assist 2, and automatic transmission. AutoWeek comments, the CT6 responds with a noticeable lack of body roll and reflexes that remind us of its smaller sibling, the ATS Coupe. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Take it for a test drive today.
A great selection, fantastic customer service, and top-notch service and parts. Yes, you can have it all at Colonial Cadillac. We're easy to find on Cambridge Road in Woburn.